Alright, welcome to Tottenham Roadside. We have got a little pannier tank, I think. I can't quite remember now. And that will be taken out to Buckfast Lee. Just got to turn around and then it will pull the carriages out. Alright, here it is. That's not a pannier tank, I think it's a prairie. Right, I will see you when it comes back in. Right, so it's way back in. There's a quick Voyager. I think one that I get to prove that's my train back actually. Anyways, there's the small prairie, I think. Maybe wrong, let me know if I am wrong in the comments. Oh, and 90. Just stopped here, not sure why. Right, just been filled up with water. Alright, I'll see you when it departs. Alright, I didn't know this was coming in, but we've got a pannier tank. Just with one carriage. Very cute. Tokyo Exchange. Right, I am going to go watch this. Off the pannier goes. I don't think it's going properly. I think it's just going on the second line. It's just letting all the passengers off. Then it's going to go on the back, this one maybe. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, the pannier's coming down on the loop because of the points. They're not working, I don't think, that well. And now the prairie, small prairie should be going. IT. Alright, I think it's going. Yep, sure is. Finally going after being waiting in here for quite a long time now. I think due to points. Alright, I'll say goodbye to you here at Tottenham's Riverside. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.